Hi everyone, it's me again, Happy Lou Vlog. So welcome back to my random vlogs. More power and keep safe everyone. So God bless. It's me again, Happy Lou Vlogs. Hi guys, magluto tayo ng coconut rice for today. So actually before mayroon na ako nito, style Sri Lanka, pero yung partner niya is minced onion, may chili with lemon and juice, and then partneran natin siya ng saging. So for today, this is a Sri Lanka food also, but Indian yung aming mga boss. So ito yung kanilang style. So yan, una niluto ko yung rice, and then minix ang ating fresh gata. So this time ito yung kanilang partner. So onion, so meron siyang cinnamon powder and sugar, cardamom. So ayan, nahalo na natin mabuti ang ating gata sa ating rice. So usually guys, gamit kayo ng glutinous rice. So ito jasmine rice yung ginamit nila, pero malagkit din naman, pero mas okay pag malagkit. So parang magiging inangit siya, pero kung gusto niyo ng medyo patutungin yung ating rice, pwede rin. So usually ito yung kanilang standard. So with salt, lagyan nyo lang siya ng salt, and then okay na yan, basta nag-abot yung tama nung gata at asin at yung malagkit na rice. So syempre i-ano lang natin sa ating pan, and then i-slice natin para sa pag-serve natin ay naka-presentation sa. So yun lang, hindi na kailangan palamigin kasi gusto nila is mainit itong i-serve. So usually sa Sri Lanka, special nila to pag may okasyon. So pwede rin, I think pwede rin partneran ito ng ripe mango. So depende sa ating taste. So ako na-try ko na ang saging na may sibuyas na may chili, and then this time sibuyas naman na may cinnamon powder, cardamom, and brown sugar. So konti lang, saktong tamis lang. So depende pa rin sa tamis na. So pwede rin yung partneran ito ng pickled mango or ginger with lemon. So try na guys. It's nice. So this is our dinner. So ayan, medyo na flat na siya. So ayan, ready na for slicing. So ayan, okay na rin siya guys. So syempre slice natin para ready natin sa pag-serve. So sa time ng kanilang dinner. So ayan, para sa ating presentation, actually square cut lang natin siya, and then ilalagay natin sa ating serving plate. Syempre family dinner, so dapat magandang tingnan, may presentation. So actually malamig na to, iinit ko na lang sa microwave bago i-serve. So yun lang guys, I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Try nyo na din. It's really nice. So thank you again. Have a great time everyone. God bless. Thank you so much for your support. Yan, transfer ko siya sa ating serving plate. So kukunin ko yung mga malalaking slice, and then separate ko na lang yung na mga nasa side para pwede na rin namin kainin ito. So actually yung ano yung dinner nila, kung anong lunch nila, so yun din ang aming foods everyday. So thank you so much for another employer for the good salary offer, and then pray lahat, and my weekly day off, and open foods kami. Pag day off, pwede rin kami mag-stay sa room, and open foods pa rin kami. So blessed and thankful. So this is Happy Lou again. This is Happy Lou Vlogs again, OFW Kuwait to Dubai, so cross country. So Yun lang guys. Bye-bye. See you on my next vlog. Thank you so much.